Trying to figure out how to delete apps on iOS 13? Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. If this interests you, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos we release. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete apps on iOS 13. It's super simple, guys. All you have to do is go here, find an app you want to delete. Let me see. I will get rid of Texas Roadhouse. So you just press it and keep on holding it, and then you'll get the little wiggly icon. Then you just go ahead and click the X and she's deleted. Another way, and it's kind of, I guess it's kind of a kludgy way, you can go into the App Store and then click on your icon. Now you're going to scroll down and all your recently updated and about to be updated apps will show up in this list, and then all you have to do is just slide it to the right, click delete, and you're good. Before you go, if you found some value in this video, please smash that like button and leave a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.